In the realm of naval supremacy, few symbols stand as tall, both literally and figuratively, as the Nimitz-class aircraft carriers. These colossal vessels, each priced at a staggering $8.5 billion, represent the pinnacle of American naval engineering and strategic might. As we embark on a comprehensive exploration of these floating fortresses, in this video, we'll delve into their history, technological intricacies, operational capabilities, defensive systems, and the imminent transition to the Gerald R. Ford-class carriers. A legacy of excellence. The Nimitz-class carriers, with names like USS Nimitz, USS Ronald Reagan, and USS George H.W. Bush, have been the undisputed flagships of the U.S. Navy since the commissioning of the USS Nimitz in 1975. Named after Admiral Chester Nimitz, who led the U.S. Navy during World War II, these carriers are not just vessels. They embody the legacy of American naval excellence. Engineering marvels. At over 1,000 feet in length, the Nimitz-class carriers are technological marvels, boasting a crew complement of over 5,000 personnel. What sets them apart is their reliance on 2A-4W nuclear reactors, capable of continuous operation for over 2 decades without refueling. The sheer scale of these vessels transforms them into floating cities, equipped to project power globally. Carrier Airwing evolution. The carrier Airwing is the beating heart of these giants, adapting over the years to meet evolving military needs. From the era of F-14 Tomcats and A-6 Intruders during the Cold War, to the current lineup featuring F-35C Lightning IIs and EA-18G Growlers, the Airwing ensures a versatile mix of offensive and defensive capabilities. The intricate dance of aircraft on and off the flight deck is a testament to the carrier's operational flexibility. Defensive fortifications. Aircraft carriers are not only instruments of projection, but also prime targets. To safeguard against potential threats, Nimitz-class carriers are armed to the teeth with advanced defensive systems. Mark 29 guided missile launchers, Mark 15 close-in weapon systems, CWIS, and Mark 49 missile launchers equipped with rolling airframe missiles, RAM, create an impregnable shield against air and missile threats. These automated defense mechanisms highlight the carrier's commitment to survivability in the face of adversity. The Dynamic Carrier Strike Group. The carrier operates as the nucleus of a carrier strike group, CSG, a synergistic force comprising surface combatants, submarines, and support vessels. Guided missile cruisers and destroyers form a protective perimeter around the carrier, ensuring a comprehensive defense against aerial, surface, and subsurface threats. The strategic coordination within a CSG underscores the U.S. Navy's commitment to maintaining control of the seas. Sunsetting the Nimitz. As the Nimitz-class carriers approach the end of their service life, the U.S. Navy faces the complex task of decommissioning these behemoths. The decommissioning process, estimated to cost hundreds of millions of dollars per carrier, involves not only the removal of nuclear reactors, but also the safe disposal of radioactive materials. The USS Nimitz, the first of its class, is slated for retirement in 2026, signaling the end of an era. Gerald R. Ford-class, a new horizon. The retirement of the Nimitz-class carriers paved the way for the next generation of naval dominance, the Gerald R. Ford-class. These carriers, set to replace their predecessors on a one-for-one basis, embody advancements in technology, efficiency, and strategic capability. The transition marks a pivotal moment in naval history, ensuring that the legacy of American naval power endures. Advancements in Ford-class carriers. The Gerald R. Ford-class carriers represent a significant leap forward in naval technology and capability compared to their predecessors, the Nimitz-class carriers. The Ford-class carriers incorporate a range of advancements designed to enhance operational efficiency, reduce life cycle costs, and provide greater flexibility in adapting to evolving threats. Here are some key advancements in the Ford-class carriers. Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System. Emails. One of the most notable changes is the introduction of emails, replacing the traditional steam catapult system used for launching aircraft. EMALS is an electromagnetic catapult system that provides more precise control over the launch process, allowing for the efficient launch of a wider variety of aircraft, including unmanned systems. It also requires less maintenance compared to steam catapults. Advanced Arresting Gear AAG. The Ford-class carriers feature AAG, a modern system for aircraft recovery. AAG uses energy-absorbing water turbines and an advanced control system to safely and effectively decelerate and recover aircraft during landings. This system is more adaptable and requires less maintenance than the traditional arresting cables used on Nimitz-class carriers. Enhanced Flight Deck Design. Flight deck of the Ford-class carriers has been redesigned to optimize aircraft operations. The island, the superstructure on the flight deck, has been moved farther aft and streamlined to improve visibility and allow for more efficient aircraft movements. This design enhances the overall flight deck layout and increases the sortie rates. Increased aircraft fuel and weapons capacity. The Ford-class carriers have larger aviation fuel storage capacities and increased ordnance storage, allowing for extended mission durations and more flexibility in the types and numbers of aircraft that can be deployed. This capability enhances the carrier's ability to adapt to a wide range of mission profiles. Advanced radar systems. The Ford-class carriers are equipped with the AN/SPY-3 and AN/SPY-4 radar systems, providing improved air and missile defense capabilities. These radar systems offer enhanced situational awareness and threat detection, contributing to the carrier's overall defensive capabilities. Reduced crew requirements. Automation and technological advancements on the Ford-class carriers have led to a reduced crew requirement compared to the Nimitz-class carriers. This not only streamlines operations but also contributes to cost savings over the life cycle of the carrier. In the vast expanse of the world's oceans, the Nimitz-class aircraft carriers have reigned supreme, projecting American power and influence to every corner of the globe. As we bid adieu to these maritime giants, the legacy of their service and the lessons learned will shape the future of naval warfare. The transition to the Gerald R. Ford-class carriers signals not just a changing of the guard, but the continuation of a legacy, one that defines the United States Navy as a force to be reckoned with on the high seas. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the incredible Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more captivating content. Your support keeps us sailing smoothly. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.